Hello, in front of me I've got Renault ARKANA. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control, speed limiter, and we can manage them. On the right side, we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change and adjust settings on the instrument cluster. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.